Hi everyone, this video is on random numbers. Now you may come across a situation where you need to create some numbers, some random numbers for some spreadsheet that you're working on, could be testing something out, usually that's the case, and you just want to generate some random numbers. Very easy to do in Excel, very simple. So I'm going to show you right now. I simply, any random cell, type in equals rand, open brackets, close brackets, and hit return, and that's generated a random number. Now these numbers will always be below 1. That's a decimal. That's just how it works. That's how rand works. So if you wanted to increase the number there, you could, in another cell, equals that figure times let's say 20, and that will generate a larger number for you, all random again, and that's the way to do it. Now there is another way, because obviously decimals under 1, it's not exactly ideal for the numbers you're trying to work out, trying to use for your test spreadsheet. So another formula is equals rand between. You can see that come up. So equals rand between allows you to pick any random number between two different numbers, so the bottom number and the top number. So say the bottom number is 100 and the top number is 100. Let's say 1,000, go for 1,000, so 100 to 1,000. So this will generate any random number between 100 and 1,000, including 100 and 1,000. So I can drag that down, and as you can see, a bunch of random numbers, and you can change that to 10,000. Go. And bunch of random numbers, and simple as that. That's how you generate random numbers. If you guys want any more help, any tuition in Excel, please visit our website. The link is in the description. We can help you out with all your tuition needs and anything else in Excel that you're interested in. Conditional formatting, VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, etc. Whatever it may be, send us a message and we can see if we can help you out.